We are doing a full body warm-up in just 5 minutes, or if you're just looking for 5 minutes of movement, this can feel great as well. Let's take our feet wide apart. Big inhale in, exhale out. Releasing through your groin as you come down. Good, let's step 1 foot behind for a nice side stretch. Switching to the other side. Exhale, engage your obliques as you switch sides. Stretch quickly. Let's come up and circle through one hip. Exhale as you lift your knee, engage your core. Other side. Last one. Good, let's find your balance on one foot. We can circle our ankle. Let's go the other way. Good, we can switch to the other side. Making the circles as big as you can. Switching direction. Good, let's get ready to lunge side to side, legs wide apart. Really sitting back in your hips. Hamstring curls. Bringing your heel right up to your glute. Move into low impact jumping jacks, or you can do regular if it's safe for you. Let's take our feet wide apart again. We're gonna reach down and then come right up on your toes. Amazing job, you are done your warm-up for the day. Of course you can do this warm-up anytime, however I specifically designed it for my new postpartum challenge, which is just 10 minutes a day, and I will link to that series right there.